Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can hear, currently it is muted, so you cannot hear any sound connected with my tapping on the screen on any icon, but if you want to change it, you have to read the settings, then find and pick sounds and vibration. Here go a bit lower and click on system sound and vibration. Here you will notice touch interactions, so just mark it, and from now on you will be able to hear taps connected with touching on the icons. So this is it, that would be all. Obviously it can be turned off the same way, so thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.